AI in web development. Artificial intelligence, AI, has a significant impact on web development. Here are some ways AI is being used in web development. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly popular on websites. Chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, assist with purchases, and provide customer support. Personalization. AI algorithms can analyze user data to provide personalized experiences for each user. For example, an e-commerce website might use AI to recommend products based on a user's previous purchases or browsing history. Voice search. AI-powered voice search is becoming more prevalent, and websites can optimize for voice search by using natural language processing and other AI technologies. Content creation. AI-powered content creation tools can generate articles, videos, and other content automatically based on user input or data analysis. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.